In today's video, I'm going to show you how to temporarily lock your PayPal account in 2025, a step-by-step guide. Whether you are traveling, taking a break from online transactions, or suspect unusual activity, this guide will walk you through all the ways to secure or pause your PayPal account without permanently deleting it. Step 1 is to enable two-factor authentication. Before locking down your account, make sure your security settings are strong. Go to paypal.com and log in. Now click on the settings in the top right corner. Select security and then click on two-step verification. Turn it on and link it to your mobile number or authenticator app. This adds a strong layer of protection. The second step is to remove linked devices and log out from all sessions. To prevent access from any device, go to Settings, click on Security, and then go to Manage your devices. Remove any unfamiliar devices, scroll down and click Log out of all devices. The third step is to unlink bank accounts and cards temporarily. To prevent accidental changes or unauthorized use, in Settings, go to Payments, then Manage Automatic Payments, then Cancel or pause any active subscriptions. Then navigate to Wallet, click each linked card or bank account, and choose Remove. The fourth step is to change your password and security questions. If you suspect any suspicious activity or just want extra safety, go to Settings again. Now go to Security and then click on Change Password. Update your security questions if available. If you want to pause or restrict activity, you can visit PayPal Resolution Center or go to Help, then Message Center and request temporary restriction or suspension. Let them know that you want to temporarily lock the account due to personal reasons or suspicious activity. In many cases, they can limit transactions or logins until you are ready to activate. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to temporarily lock or secure your PayPal account in 2025. Thank you for watching this video.